In this video, I will show you how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure your data is organized. For example, let's say your first names are in column A and your last names are in column B. Now, click on the cell where you want the full name to appear. For example, click on cell C2. To combine the names, type an equals sign to start a formula. Then click on the first name cell. Type an ampersand symbol, add a space inside quotation marks, then another ampersand, and finally click on the last name cell. So your formula will look like this. Equals A2, ampersand, space in quotes, ampersand, B2. Press Enter and you'll see the first and last name combined into one cell with a space in between. If you want to apply this to more rows, simply click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. This will copy the formula to the rest of the rows automatically. Combining names is useful when creating full name lists, reports, or exporting data for other systems. So that's how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.